Welcome to the Koala Call Sheet video series. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to add and modify crew for your call sheets. If you are importing your call sheet information from Gorilla or Chimpanzee, your scheduled cast and crew will appear on the correct shoot days. You could also add or modify this information for each shoot day. I'm going to load the Animal Kingdom Returns project for this lesson. If you look closely at a shoot day, you will notice a crew button and a cast button. If either of these buttons are dimmed, that indicates that there is no crew or cast scheduled for that shoot day. If it is not dimmed, either crew or cast is scheduled. You can go directly to the crew or cast for a shoot day by selecting either of these buttons. You can also select the shoot day to go to the shoot day details screen and then select the crew or cast button. There is a scheduled section and a not scheduled section. All these crew members here are scheduled for this shoot day. To remove a crew member from this shoot day, select the Remove Crew Member from this shoot day button. The crew member will then appear in the Not Scheduled section. Let's add a new crew member here in the Not Scheduled section. Click on the Create a New Crew Member button. Enter a name for this crew member and attach the crew member to a title. Notice here, if this checkbox is selected, Koala will not only create the crew member, but also schedule the crew member for the current shoot day. You can then alter the call time for this crew member here. To schedule this crew member back, just select it. Notice the sort field here. You can enter a number and sort your crew list any way you want, which is how it will appear on the call sheet. To automatically renumber the list beginning from 1, select the Sort label. The Place in Header column indicates which crew members, if any, will print in the header of a call sheet in addition to the body of the call sheet. Depending on the call sheet template you use, 4 or 5 crew members can be placed in the header of a call sheet. This Place in Header Only checkbox will print that crew member in the header of the call sheet, but not in the body of the call sheet. To edit an existing crew member, select the crew member. Here, you can edit the name of the crew member and modify the crew title. If you want to learn more about crew titles and departments, see Lesson 6. Over here, you can edit, add, or delete a phone or email address for the crew member. Let's add a new phone. Select the Add Phone Email button. Type in the phone number. For US and Canadian formatted phones, you do not have to enter parentheses or dashes. If you do not want the phone numbers automatically formatted for you, select the Do Not Format Phone checkbox. You can specify which phone and or email address you want to print on the call sheet by selecting the Print on Call Sheet checkbox. Depending on the length of the phone or email, there is limited room to display the information on the call sheet, but it is possible to print 2 phones and 1 email address. Let's quickly create a call sheet to see. In any case, you can store all the crew members' contact info here and print only what is needed on the call sheet. To delete a phone or email, select the Delete button. Let's talk briefly about the carrier and type fields. Neither are mandatory unless you want to use the Email Call Sheet feature or the Send Text Call Sheet feature. For example, if you want to send a call sheet via email, you must specify the type as email. Only then will you see the crew members in the Send Email To window. More information on how to email call sheets is explained in Lesson 10. The carrier field is only needed if you want to use the Send Text feature, and it must be used in conjunction with a mobile type and a mobile phone number. This is explained in Lesson 11, Texting a Call Sheet. Lastly, take a look at this button here, Import from Another Project. This is extremely useful if you want to import crew from another loaded Koala project. Let's go to the Jungle Movie project and add a crew member called Jim Jungle and give him a title. Let's go back to the Animal Kingdom project and back to the crew section and select the Import from Another Project button. Select the Select checkbox for the crew members you want to import. Then select the Import button. The new crew member will appear in the Not Scheduled section for the Animal Kingdom project. That wraps up this lesson. Have a great shoot!